All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Looking at that wheel, looks really good. The tires, you can see the dry rotting here, and there's not much tread left. The suspension looks good, and as you can see, full rhino lining. All of that looks good. Flare looks nice. They did a killer job on this. You can see this is faded. Same with that. There's a gash right here. They did really good on this rhino lining. I thought you would feel, you know, like hard lines, but it's actually smooth all the way across. So that door looks good. That looks nice. These tires are good. Got a ton of tread left there. Now you're going to have the dry rotting though. The tread is good. So you can see the little cracking and stuff. You're going to see it in here as well. Overall, that wheel is in great condition. Got the red insert here. That looks nice. Little sun damage right here. That lower section looks good. That light looks nice. Same with that one. There's a dent here. This tire is low on tread. That looks nice. Looking at the wheel, overall in great condition. Being rhino lined, it's hard to really pick apart the paint. It looks good. And there's a couple flaws here and there. That tire has a ton of tread left. You're going to see the little cracking in there. Overall, that wheel looks good. Got the XRC bumper. Tread looks good here, but once again, you're going to have some of that dry rotting and a little cracking. That wheel looks nice. That looks good. Carpets are nice and clean. And scanning through the engine bay here, looks nice and clean. At the interior, it is a non-smoker. Couple markings down here, a little bit there. That red looks nice. The net is sagging just a little bit. They did a great job on the jams, and then you're gonna see they even taped off this. They did really, really good on that liner. You're gonna have some cracking right there. A little bit of wear on that bolster, kind of pressed down. That looks good. I see a little marking here. Steering wheel looks nice. Got the red inserts here. Upper section looks nice. Really, really clean in here. Here on the front right door panel, a couple small markings. Otherwise, that looks really nice. This is sagging. Looks like they had something in there. Floor mat looks good. They even did the jam here. Looks really nice. They did a good job on that liner. Here on this bolster, very little wear. Got the Regency here on the headrest. It's a great looking seat. Love the little perforations. That looks good. You have some markings here. Looking at the upper section, that looks nice. These are peeling. A little warning label. Overall, that panel looks good. Carpets look nice. Seat backs are clean. Seats look awesome. All right, we're going on a quick test drive. I do hear typical rattles back there, and these tires are very, very noisy. Hitting the brakes. Brakes feel good. Steering wheel's nice and straight. It doesn't have any type of shimmy to it when you do that. It's not rubbing there.